Today we are going to turn your grip and fingers into steel claws, strong enough to crush a soda can and turn an apple into pulp in seconds. Let's jump straight into the first exercise. 1. The dead hang. This isn't just hanging from a bar, it's a true test of your willpower and tendon strength. When you hang with your full body weight, you place massive tension on your forearms and the connective tissues linking your fingers to your wrist. Don't just grip with your palm, focus on your fingers. Hold the bar with your fingertips. Keep your shoulders active and avoid completely relaxing. If it becomes easy, add weight using a backpack filled with books or gym weights. This builds what's called isometric endurance. In a fight, you'll need to hold on to your opponent's wrist or clothing for long periods without letting go. This is what keeps your grip locked in no matter what. 2. The farmer's walk. This is the backbone of real-world strength. Holding heavy weights and walking forces your entire body to stabilize under extreme tension. Grab the heaviest weights you can in each hand. Keep your back straight, chest up, and take short, controlled steps. The key is to squeeze the handles as hard as possible while walking. It doesn't just build grip, it develops full-body explosive endurance. Wrestlers who master this can carry and control opponents like they weigh nothing. 3. The pinch grip. Now we target raw finger strength. The secret behind that crushing, vice-like grip. Hold a flat object like a weight plate or a stone, using only your thumb and fingers, no palm. Try to hold it as long as possible or lift it repeatedly. Most people have a weak thumb, but in grappling, the thumb is the lock of your grip. Whether it's boxing, wrestling, or MMA, this exercise strengthens the small overlooked muscles that give you that bone-crushing hold. 4. Explosive bend resistance. After building grip strength, you need to transfer it into explosive movement using resistance bends. Simulate pulling or spraws at maximum speed. Explode on the contraction, then return slowly under control. This trains your nervous system to generate maximum force instantly. An explosive athlete can switch from defense to offense in a split second. This is what powers that speed. 5. Wrist strength. Wrist roller and leverage. Your wrist is the bridge between your arm and your grip. If the bridge is weak, everything collapses. Use a stick with a rope and weight attached and roll it up and down using only your wrist. Keep your arms extended to increase the difficulty. This eliminates weak wrist. In real combat, your wrist absorbs rotational force when controlling or throwing an opponent. Strong wrist means zero energy loss and full force transfer. Start slow, and within a month, you'll be shocked at how strong your grip becomes.